Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. My name is David and I'm the product manager at Trimatic for the Protectair product line. In today's introduction video, we're introducing the OxyReg, or preset pressure reducer for oxygen, used in ventilators, anesthetic equipment and other oxygen applications. Stay tuned and see what the benefits are for you. The main advantage is its small and compact design and the weight of just 40 grams. Further, the reducer is tamper-proof, securing the machine or application from unwanted pressure manipulations. Also, the need of a gauge becomes obsolete, as the OxyReg will be delivered already preset at your desired setting. The assembly will be much easier as well, because there will be no adjustment needed, saving you time and reducing costs. This becomes especially evident in high quantity assemblies. The OxyReg is mainly used at the inlet side. It reduces the supply pressure, fluctuation-free and stable for your machine or application. All in all, the OxyReg reduces the total costs and assembly time, and making it an ideal solution for slimming your design. More information can be found on our website. The links are placed down below in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time at our next introduction video.